Hi, ako si Zai. Samahan niyo ako. Mag-time travel tayo pabalik sa nakaraan at pakinggan ulit natin ang top 10 most famous AC/DC guitar riffs. Kaya naman without further ado, let's start. So, top 10 sa ating list. Kasama to sa second album na nirelease ng AC/DC noong December 1, 1975. Siyempre, kasama ang kanilang lead vocalist na si Bon Scott. And this song is called TNT. So, top 9 sa ating list, nirelease ito noong September 20, 1976 at ito mismo yung ginamit na pangalan sa third album na nirelease ng AC/DC noong 1976. And this song is called Dirty Leaves Done Dirt Cheap. At top 8 sa ating list, this song was from the Highway to Hell album at na-release ito noong year 1979. At syempre, ang lead vocalist pa rin ay si Bon Scott. And this song is called Shot Down in Flames. Top 7 on our list, this song is from their album Flick of the Switch at na-release ito noong August 19, 1983. At naiba na yung lead vocalist nila dito. Ang lead vocalist nila dito ay si Brian Johnson. And this song is called Guns for Hire. So, natapos tayo sa top 10 down to top 7. Punta naman tayo sa top 6. This song is from their album Black Ice and release ito noong August 28, 2008 with their lead vocalist Brian Johnson. And this song is called Rock and Roll Train. Grabe yun. Nakalahati na natin yung top 10. Now, punta naman tayo sa top 5. This song is from their album Back in Black and nirelease ito noong July 25, 1980. And ginamit din to as a soundtrack sa movie na Iron Man 2. This song is called Shoot to Thrill. Okay, we're down to top 4. Well, itong kantang to ay isa sa mga pinakasikat na kanta ng AC/DC simula nang nirelease to. And hanggang ngayon, marami pa rin nakaka-recognize ng kantang to. At, syempre, nirelease ito noong 1979 and their lead vocalist is Bon Scott. At ito rin yung mismong pangalan na ginamit sa kanilang album. This song is called Highway to Hell. So, punta na tayo sa top 3. Actually, ang kantang to ay isa sa mga classic songs na nagawa ng AC/DC. And this song is from their Back in Black album, which was released on August 15, 1980. Siyempre, ang lead vocalist nila dito ay si Brian Johnson. And this song is called You Shook Me All Night Long. So we're down to top 2. And then this song was released on July 25, 1980 At ito yung pinakaunang album na nirelease ng AC/DC kasama ang kanilang lead vocalist na si Brian Johnson. Pagkatapos niyang palitan si Bon Scott after Bon Scott's death. And ginamit din tong kantang to as their album name. At isa pa, ginamit din tong kantang to as a soundtrack sa movie na Spider-Man Far From Home. And this song is called Back in Black. Finally, we're down to top 1. Curious ka na ba ako ano yung top 1? Well, this song was released in the year 1990. And kasama to sa album nila na Razor's Edge. Uy, nagkakaroon na siya ng idea. Well, this song was my all-time favorite kaya ako siya ginawang top 1. And kapag tinugtog tong kantang to, ay tatayuan ka talaga ng balahibo. Well, this song is called Thunderstruck. So, ayun yung top 10 most famous AC/DC guitar riffs. I hope nag-enjoy kayong panoorin tong video na to. And sa mga AC/DC fans out there, I salute you. Once again, ako si Zai. Keep playing, keep grooving.